So I realized that it's been kind of a while since I posted on this channel. It's probably been close to 3 months, and in that amount of time, I have done a fair amount of thrifting. It's kind of become a weekly thing. So I figured I would compile everything together and make a collective thrift haul for you guys. So let's just do it. You honestly might notice a bit of a trend when it comes to the colors of things. I've definitely been like gravitating towards a lot of like fall-y tones even throughout the summer. So let's start with piece number 1, which is what I'm wearing right now. Why not? It's already on me. So it's just like a t-shirt. It's like really comfortable. It's got like these beige stripes on it, and it's got like a little tie in the front. I think at Frenchie's, each t-shirt is $3.75. It doesn't matter where it's from, what it looks like. They just have like base prices. So I think the t-shirts were $3.75. It's either $3.75 or $4.75. I don't actually remember, but it's somewhere around there. If you follow my vlog channel or my Instagram, you've definitely seen this shirt before. I wore it a lot over the summertime. It's pretty wrinkly right now, not gonna lie, but it is like this cropped orange shirt with these really pretty sleeves on it. Honestly, the color is probably what sold me the most. I really like orange and yellow right now for some reason, but the sleeves I really liked as well. It is a little bit tight for the bottom button, but yes, I'm one of those girls that's like, if it's like close enough, I'll buy it anyway, even if it doesn't fit perfectly, because I just liked the style of the shirt and the color, so I just bought it anyway, and I wear it with the bottom button undone. I can get the bottom one done up. It just like looks really tight, you know? It's not really the vibe. So I also got this mustard yellow. I'm still a fan of mustard yellow. If you've been around here for a while, you know that yellow's kind of a thing. It's just a thing around here. So I picked up this mustard yellow bodysuit. It is so soft and so comfortable. The only thing is that I've worn it a few times, and this was actually brand new when I got it from Frenchie's. It was originally from Marshall's and it had the tags still on it, but I've worn it a few times, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. I think I need to put a little extra stitching on the straps here, because the straps are really small and they've kind of come a little unraveled from washing it. So I think I do need to do a little bit of stitching there, but it's a really cute shirt, and it's really comfortable, and it goes really well with my yellow polka dot skirt that I posted on Instagram for my birthday. So I am a fan of yellow, but I'm also like a huge fan of Halloween t-shirts. Yeah, I found this one. I think it's just originally from Old Navy. It's just a gray t-shirt with a little pumpkin on it that says current mood, and it has a little jack-o'-lantern guy, and I couldn't pass it up. It's just pretty simple. Anything that has to do with Halloween on clothing, I'm kind of here for it, so I had to grab it. Next up, we have a cute little workout top. It is long sleeve. It's cropped. Don't know where it's from, but it's really cute. It has like the little thumb holes. It's got little holes in the sleeves. It's just pretty basic. It's just a gray like cropped workout top. However, I did notice when I tried it on that the stitching has come out on the armpit a little bit, so I will have to stitch that up if I don't want the armpit to get a ginormous hole. But I just thought it would be a cute little top to work out in. Sometimes you just get tired of working out in the same, you know, t-shirts and things, and sometimes it's just a little bit more motivating when you get something new to work out in. Another longtime favorite of mine is black and white stripes, so I had to pick up this cropped sweater. It's originally from Forever 21, but I just thought it was gonna be a really cute sweater to wear in the fall, maybe pumpkin picking, apple picking situation, we'll see. But yeah, it's just like a really cozy long sleeve cropped sweater. Nothing too crazy here, but I just really liked it. I liked the black and white stripes. Like mustard yellow is kind of like the new black and white stripes for me. I used to wear black and white striped everything, and then I became obsessed with mustard yellow, and I haven't really worn stripes as much anymore. Maybe it's coming back. Okay, so this shirt kind of combines my favorite colors to wear. It's got mustard flowers like basically over a black base. It's got like this little crisscross pattern, and it just buttons up in the front. I personally like to tie it off at the bottom and then button up like one or two and wear like a white tank top underneath. It is a little bit see-through, so it's not something that I'd wear like on its own. It's got these cute little cuff sleeves, but I thought it was a cute like little piece that I could wear in the summertime but also bring into fall. I'm really not one of those people that doesn't wear things in different seasons. So like if I like a summery style shirt, I'll probably still wear it in the winter time. Obviously not with shorts, but like with jeans or something. So I get use of all my clothing pretty much all year round. So I've gotten a couple bottoms recently that have like color on them, and a lot of my shirts have a lot of color. I don't have a lot of shirts that you can wear with colorful bottoms because mostly I wear black bottoms or just like jeans or something. So I wanted to try and find something that I could wear with a colorful bottom. So I got just this like black cropped tank top. It actually was one of those tank tops that had like, it had like a string here and like it went out, and I didn't really like that, so I just cut it off. I actually put this in the dryer the last time I washed it, and now it's kind of like, I don't know, the material's kind of funny. It's just, it's not like a super fancy shirt or anything. It's from Charlotte Russe. It's a medium. It's nothing crazy, but I just wanted something to wear with my colored bottoms. Like I have orange shorts and like skirts and things that, you know, you can't really wear colorful things with colorful things all the time, you know? So I wanted to get something plain to wear with my colorful bottoms, and that kind of just did the trick until I find some more pieces that will work with those other pieces. All right, so another black and white striped item is this bodysuit. I thought it would just be kind of fun to shoot something Halloween-y in this. It's not like Halloween-y per se, but like, I don't know, I just thought the black and white stripes with like some fun makeup or like a crazy outfit or something, I don't know, would be a cute Halloween picture. That was the vibe when I found this. So I hope that it works out, but it's kind of a cute like little casual bodysuit to wear just like on a regular day anyway. All right, so we're getting close to the end of the tops section. So I have this cropped kind of like blousey type shirt. It's like, it's a little bit stretchy, but it's like a, yeah, it's kind of like a burnt orangey brownish color. It's got like the elastic on the bottom, and it just kind of has like a crisscross in the front. I do like to wear a tank top over this because sometimes, I don't know, it's just a little too much, you know, if there's nothing underneath. But I think it's really cute, and I have been wearing it a lot lately. Okay, so the last top that I have is this little ruffle tank top from Forever 21. It's one of those ones that has like the elastic all the way through it. So yeah, it has these little flowers on it. They're brown and orange, and it's just obviously my color that I like to wear. It's mustard yellow. It's got like a little ruffle at the top, and I don't know, I just think it's adorable. So I bought it and I wear it a lot. Okay, so we're gonna move on to pants now. Well, pants slash shorts. I just recently got this pair of gray biker shorts. I have never had a pair of biker shorts before. I figured I'd give them a try. And you know, the best way to give something a try is to get it discounted because it's been used, because you don't want to pay full price for something you don't know if you're gonna wear. So anyway, I picked these up. I haven't actually worn them yet, but they are pretty comfortable, so even if I don't wear them out of the house, I think these with a baggy shirt just like around the house for like cleaning and stuff will be really comfortable. So I will warn you, I do have a lot of leggings in this pile. I've kind of gone on a legging kick. Fanatic, I don't know. My favorite leggings are from Victoria's Secret. I'm wearing Victoria's Secret leggings right now, and when I find Victoria's Secret leggings at the thrift store, I grab them up as fast as I can. So I got this cropped pair of Victoria's Secret leggings. It's kind of got like this funny pattern. It kind of reminds me of when people make those like clay earrings and they chop up the different colors and then they squish them. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, it's just a Victoria's Secret cropped workout legging. They're high-waisted, which is nice. I pretty much don't wear anything that's not high-waisted anymore. So these leggings are from Victoria's Secret Pink. Again, we've got the high waist. Something different about these ones that my other ones don't have is that the waistband kind of comes down in a point right in the front, which they don't normally do. Well, my other ones don't anyway. And these ones have kind of like, I don't even know what you'd call this pattern. I don't know if it's like snake skin or just squares. I don't know. It has like a little shiny pattern on it. So at first I was not really I didn't really know if I liked them or not, but I'm glad that I bought them because I have been wearing them a lot. These ones are a little wrinkly because I wore these yesterday. These are pink leggings. They aren't as new feeling as most of my other ones. You can definitely tell these ones have been worn. So these ones are kind of just like either working out or just kind of wearing around the house or cleaning or whatever. But they're just high-waisted black leggings. They've got like a white strip on the side and then white on the bottom, and it says pink. And I got all of these leggings from Frenchies. I think Frenchies sells their leggings for $4.75. I got an Under Armour pair of leggings. I wanted to try Under Armour leggings because I always get the Victoria's Secret ones, and I just figured why not try something new. These ones are just black. They've got like some polka dots on the front. They are high-waisted, and in the back they just have the Under Armour logo, if that's coming across on camera. I'm not actually sure. So I was really like intrigued when I found these ones because I was looking at like the tags and then I looked at the back of these, and as you can tell, it has like the Lululemon logo, but I'm 99.9% sure these are not real Lululemon. Even though the tag looks pretty real, it says medium, and I know Lululemon goes by, you know, 6, 8, whatever, but I bought them anyway because when I tried them on, they do actually feel like really nice. They've got a nice high waist. They're like, what's that word? Not constricting, but like they kind of suck you in, you know? They're that kind of like material. So even though they're not real, I bought them anyway. So the same time that Paige was at Frenchie's and she picked me up that red tank top I showed you guys earlier with the flowers on it, she also sent me a picture of these shorts. And as we know, I like wearing orange and I like wearing yellow. So I kind of just like was like, yeah, pick those up. And they are one of my favorite pairs of shorts. However, they don't have a lot of like, even though they do have like the stretchy thing in the back, I find after a long day of eating, sometimes the waistband can feel like it's cutting me in half, but it's worth it because they're cute. So I've worn these quite a bit over the summer as well. And now we are on to the last couple of things, I think. This is probably one of my most worn things. Well, not my, I don't know, I've worn a lot of these, a lot. I got this long brown maxi skirt with these polka dots on it. The side is just like button up and there's like a little tiny slit at the bottom, and it's really comfortable, perfect for taking into fall. It's like the perfect color, wear it with a nice little sweater or something. And honestly, this dress is a pretty good fall dress as well. I wasn't really sure about it when I first picked it up because it's kind of like, it's almost a little like farm girl-esque, but it's really comfortable, and I feel like for, you know, for doing outdoorsy things in the fall, if you want to look kind of cute but like not super fancy, I don't know, I feel like this is a nice dress for that kind of thing. So yeah, that's everything. Like I said, thrifting has kind of been an addiction for me lately. So if you guys want to see more thrifting videos, let me in the comments down below. Let me know if you want me to do like some try-ons in like the dressing room, or like if you want me to do like kind of like a follow me around the thrift store kind of vlog. For this channel, I do actually do some of that on my other channel. I have shown a couple of these things on my vlog channel, but those videos aren't specifically dedicated to the thrift aspect of the video. I don't know if that made sense or if that came across quite how I wanted it to. Just let me know if you want to see more thrifting videos. And with all that being said, I will see you guys soon. I will try my best with a brand new video. Bye!